12, Big Money and Big Prize game show where everyone...
I see that. There's that.
Spends a lot of time nowadays, she says. Well,
Look at this, Matthew.
Fran Bowles at the Midland Lanes. Got some tough luck here. It's kind of...
Oh, there's your mommy in the audience, Billy.
Pot is still building. 460 will add 20, take it up to 46ville. Linda Mays. Hi, Linda. Have a little rooting section here. You are a social worker, you say?
Yes, I am.
What does that mean?
The job I do is I license daycare homes, family daycare homes for daycare.
What advantage is this to, say, a daycare provider?
Okay, it is a state law that if you're caring for unrelated children in your home more than 2 weeks out of a year, you are supposed to have a daycare license.
That's very good. Let's introduce me right now to some of your folks.
Okay. I have my sister Elise and my nephew Matthew on the left, my sister Kathy, that's my son Billy, and my mother Pat.
Okay. And have you ever run a daycare home?
No.
605 Letter Road. Sending her a postcard. She has a 15-cent stamp on it. Remember, for a postcard, you only have to put a 10-cent stamp. That makes a pretty good investment. That is outstanding. Well, we might just break the jackpot right now before it gets to $500. It's 480. Ruth Miron from Flint. Oh, she steps right up, sets it down. Oh, the audience says, God, rolling the wrong way. Well, still, how many strikes did you get during practice?
3 in a row.
3 strikes in a row. Well, you would have. Okay, another winner. We're going to be right back with another winner yet this evening after this message. She not only gets $15 in cash, and her pen pal gets $15, but both of them get gift certificates from the Diamond Exchange worth $25. Well, we're up to the magic number. Elsie Reed from Lorraine Road. Beautiful strike. It's right here on Channel 12.
Turn to 12 in Donahue, weekday morning. Yes.
Hi, Kathleen. How are you? Nice to have you here. Hampton Township, for those who aren't familiar with the area, is right up near Bay City, right?
I live out in the country.
You live out in the country?
Nice out there.
You like it out in the country?
Yeah, it's nice and quiet.
That's good. You, what's your occupation?
I'm a laboratory technologist. My mother, Carolyn, and my nephew, Billy, my sister-in-law.
That doesn't look too bad. I'm going to roll a little bit too far left.